Hello silver friends, this is Joli from QuickSilverHair, and today we're going into the second part of my series on yellowing of gray hair. We are going to talk about ways to naturally get rid of yellow on your gray hair, and this is my top 7 solutions. Again, I want to reiterate that not everyone has issues with yellowing, so please don't be afraid of growing your gray hair out and enjoying your beautiful natural color. This is an issue for many people. It happens. It's something we can fix in some cases and not in others. So I wanted to educate you on these issues and the solutions. And in the next video, I will teach you how to prevent those issues. If you missed my last video, it'll be linked below. And that one was on the main causes of yellowing to gray hair. Also in the description box below is a sign up to my email list. When you sign up for my email list, in your welcome email, you will get a free ebook on yellowing. All of the details that I go over in these 3 videos, plus some things, are in that ebook. So I encourage you to sign up for my email list, and while you're down there, subscribe and like this video. Let's get started. We're gonna start today with a discussion on all of the different colors of gray. So the first issue I see is lots of people think they have yellowing, and it's not yellowing at all, it's just their natural color. So the first thing you want to do to verify whether or not you have yellowing is to test your hair. See if there's actually some discoloration. There's an easy test called the fold test. So go to a naturally lit window, which I'm in front of now, and you don't want to be in direct sunlight because the direct sunlight can actually influence the color by changing it that warm yellow tone from the sun. So you want, indirect, good light and a hand mirror, and go to the window and fold the end to the same root, okay? And if that tip is the same color as your root, then you don't have yellowing. If that tip is beige or a kind of yellowy color and your roots are white, then you probably have a little bit of yellowing. Do not do this. Let me show you. Don't grab all of your hair and fold it up onto the top of your head, because I have brown hair in the back, and of course it's a different color when I fold that up. So that's the first way to tell. There are so many colors of gray. There are warm grays, cool grays, neutral grays. I created a really great little chart, which I will include here. All of those are gray, and some of them look white, but they're kind of off-white. That doesn't mean that your color needs to be repaired or whitened or etc. So be careful that you don't start chasing solutions to getting perfectly white hair, because that can be as exhausting as dyeing your hair. So just make sure that it's actually, discoloration from something you've done to your hair or from the environment before you chase trying to remove it. There are 2 methods of approach to dealing with yellowing on your gray hair. The first method is to try to remove it, and the second method is to cover it up. Removing it would be clarifying processes, which I will go over in this video. Covering it up would be using toning products like purple shampoo, conditioners, masks, etc. With that in mind, remember that purple shampoos very rarely are capable of removing yellowing. It's an illusion because it's just coating the hair and neutralizing the yellowing. Once you remove that purple shampoo, you will see the true color of your hair. If you have been using purple shampoo, be prepared with these clarifying processes to see the actual color of your hair when the purple shampoo is removed, because purple shampoo only covers it up. So keep that in mind as we move along. The first solution I'm obviously going to tell you to try is to do a QuickSilverHair mask. I created this product because there was nothing on the market at the time that actually removed yellowing. The way I created this product was for it to actually adsorb onto your hair, which means that it sits on the surface of your hair and acts sort of like Velcro and carries away any impurities or buildup when you rinse it out. So it's a good starting point, and it's a good reset point to see where your hair is at and what the actual condition of it is once you've removed all of the buildup and any possible yellowing that it can remove. Remember that you cannot remove permanent yellowing, so you may discover that you have something permanent like sun or heat damage. The second solution would be chelating shampoo. Chelating shampoos are particularly important if you have hard water, well water, or chlorine in your hair. Chelating shampoo is one of the best clarifying shampoos to pull mineral buildup off of your hair because the chelation process is breaking the minerals up and carrying them away. So I often recommend that you use a chelating shampoo before your clarifying mask with the QuickSilverHair because you get kind of the double whammy. You get it to affect two different causes of yellowing. The third that many people use to remove yellowing and find great success with, I never did, but I always suggest it just in case because it's a simple, natural solution. If you do it correctly, it's not harmful to your hair, and that is apple cider vinegar rinses. The key thing here is you only need 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to 3 to 4 cups of filtered water. So what you want to do is take a bowl, fill it up with the water and the vinegar, and just dunk your head in it. Swish your hair around, let it kind of soak, and then when you stand up in the shower, dump the bowl on your head and rinse your hair. And you should find, after you shampoo and condition, that your hair will be brighter if vinegar is helpful to you. The next solution is baking soda. Now, I want you to be very careful when you use baking soda. My 2 safest ways I've found to use it is 1, you can add 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon depending on the length of your hair and how much clay you've mixed to your QuickSilverHair mask. Or you can do 1-to-1 baking soda to a gentle clarifying shampoo like the Acure Curiously Clarifying Shampoo. You just take, like, let's say we do a tablespoon of shampoo and a tablespoon of baking soda, mix it together till it's kind of foamy, put it throughout your hair gently, let it set for a couple minutes, and then rinse as thoroughly as you possibly can, and then follow with regular shampoo and conditioner, and you should find that that will brighten your hair too. There's many people that do this once a week and find that that's all they need to keep their silvers nice and bright. Number 5 is dandruff shampoo. I know a lot of people that find that regular old dandruff shampoo, just your regular drugstore dandruff shampoo, is quite effective at keeping the hair white. So you can try that if you want to, but I would highly suggest you do only the dandruff shampoo and do not mix it with anything else. Number 6 would be a good clarifying shampoo that does contain a sulfate. Sulfates are designed to break things apart and carry them away. And sometimes you may be using sulfate-free products, and over time it allows certain things to build up that those other cleansers do not remove, and sulfate may be your golden ticket. So try a sulfate-based clarifying shampoo. Number 7 is when we get to you have done everything you can to remove the yellowing, and whatever's going on is either permanent or extremely stubborn, and you move to toning products. This would be a purple shampoo, purple conditioner, purple hair masks. You can add purple Manic Panic to the QuickSilverHair mask and make your own purple mask. It's kind of a one and done deal. You can do your clarifying and your purple toning at the same time. There are many of my customers that find that quite effective, and it's very simple. All that will be in the description box below if you want to check out how to make that happen. I'll link the mixing instructions below. I cannot do this video without giving you a word to the wise warning, and that is a list of things not to do. There are many stupid recipes out there online that I highly suggest you avoid, because altering the pH of your hair can break the bonds on your hair and cause damage to your hair. Over time, if you continue to do that, you can cause permanent damage that cannot be repaired except to grow it off. When you start searching for solutions to your yellowing, please, 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 please hear me. Do not mix baking soda, peroxide, vinegar, vitamin C, dandruff shampoo, Dawn. Don't mix all those things together, or any of those things together, and expect great results. What you potentially will have happen is that you will strip all the moisture off of your hair, and you will cause further yellowing because now it is susceptible to more damage. Finally, remember that not all yellowing can be removed, and you can drive yourself crazy trying to remove it. So it might be time to embrace a purple product that you use regularly and then start implementing ways to prevent yellowing, which is the next video. So please subscribe to my channel so you'll get notification when that video comes out. And until next time, shine on.